In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save RAM in Chrome using a few simple settings and cleanup steps that can make a real difference in performance. If Chrome feels slow, your laptop is getting hot, or your memory usage keeps climbing every time you open more tabs, this guide is for you. We're going to walk through the easiest ways to reduce Chrome's RAM usage without needing any extra software. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick computer tips and browser fixes. Let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Chrome can use a lot of RAM when you have too many tabs open, when extensions are running in the background, or when you're streaming videos or playing games in the browser. That means even normal browsing can start to feel heavy if you leave everything open for too long. The first thing we want to do is turn on Memory Saver. To do that, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then click Settings. In the left-hand menu, click Performance. On this page, look for Memory Saver and turn it on. Once this is enabled, Chrome will put inactive tabs to sleep, which helps reduce RAM usage and keeps your system running more smoothly. This is one of the best settings you can change right away because it works automatically in the background. Next, close any unused tabs. A lot of people forget how much memory each extra tab can use, especially if those tabs are loaded with websites, videos, ads, or scripts. If you don't need a tab right now, close it. And if you accidentally close something important, you can bring it back with Control, Shift, and T. That shortcut reopens your most recently closed tab, so you don't have to worry about losing anything important. After that, check your extensions. Extensions can be helpful, but they can also be one of the biggest reasons Chrome uses too much RAM. To manage them, click the three dots again, go to Extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. Review what you have installed and disable anything you don't use regularly. Heavy add-ons, VPN extensions, toolbars, and extra utilities can all take up memory in the background. If you only need an extension once in a while, it's better to keep it turned off until you actually need it. Now let's use Chrome's built-in Task Manager. This is one of the fastest ways to see exactly what is eating your memory. On your keyboard, press Shift and Escape at the same time. Chrome Task Manager will open and you'll see a list of tabs, extensions, and processes running inside the browser. Look for anything using a lot of memory. If you spot a tab or extension that is unusually heavy, select it and click End Process. That immediately frees up RAM and can make Chrome feel much lighter right away. Just be careful not to end anything you still need, because closing the wrong process could refresh a page or stop an extension from working until you reopen it. Another important step is disabling background apps. Go back into Chrome settings, then click System in the left menu. Find the option that says Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed and turn it off. This is important because Chrome can continue using memory even after you close the browser window if background apps are still allowed to run. Turning this off helps Chrome stop using RAM when you're not actively browsing. Finally, clear the cache. Over time, cached files can build up and sometimes slow things down instead of helping. To clear it, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. In the Clear Browsing Data window, select Cached Images and Files, then click Delete Data. This won't remove your bookmarks or save passwords if you only select the cache option, and it can help remove corrupted temporary files that may be affecting Chrome performance. So to recap, if you want to save RAM in Chrome, turn on Memory Saver, close unused tabs, disable unnecessary extensions, use Chrome Task Manager to end heavy processes, turn off background apps, and clear the cache when needed. These simple steps can help Chrome run smoother and reduce memory usage on your computer. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and leave a comment if you want more Chrome optimization tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.